friends, welcome to Coding. In the previous video, we have learnt about the Java collections overview. Now we are going to learn about the specific classes inside this Java collection. So the first interface that we are going to learn is the list interface, and inside this list interface, we have different classes such as ArrayList, LinkedList, Vector. First, we will learn about the ArrayList. So what is ArrayList in Java collection? So ArrayList is a class that is present in java.util package. So inside this java.util package, we have the class ArrayList. It provides a dynamic array for storing the element. In the previous video, we have learned that array is of fixed size, right? But the collections can adjust the size as per the values inserted inside the collection. So it is a dynamic array for storing the element. It is like an array, but there is no size limit. So when we declare an array, we need to provide the fixed size of an array. And array can contain only those number of elements. But the array list does not have any size limit. We can add or remove elements easily inside the array list. It is more flexible than a traditional array. So manipulation, deletion, updation, all these activities are more flexible inside the array list as compared to the array. Insertion order is preserved in array list. What does that mean? The values are stored in the same order in which we have inserted. So the sequence in which we have inserted the values will be stored in that manner only. And duplicate elements are allowed inside the array list. So we can store two similar values inside the array list as the duplicate elements are allowed inside the array list. So these are the properties of array list. Now how we actually create an array list in our Java code. As we have learned, ArrayList is a class present in java.util package. The first thing is we need to import the ArrayList class. Once we import the ArrayList class, we need to provide this particular syntax to declare our ArrayList. So we need to say ArrayList, then the data type of that particular list. So here we have a variable name and then the class here, new ArrayList, and again the data type. This is the syntax here to declare an array list. Now let's see in our code how we can make the array list. So this is our code. So we will try to make the array list of string data type. So we will have your data type as string, and let's say variable name is the city name, and we will store different city names inside that particular array list. So first thing is we need to import the array list class. So we can also write a statement here, import java.util ArrayList class. Also you can declare an array list and then try to import it. So let's say we say here ArrayList, then control space. So see here we are getting ArrayList java.util package, right? So if I select this ArrayList, then automatically the import statement will import the class which is ArrayList and which is present inside java.util package. And then here you need to provide the data type. Let's say my data type is string here, string, and then the name of the array list, let's say name, city name, then new array list. So this is the syntax here, right? So in this way you have declared the array list now with the name, city name. Now how to add the elements inside this array list? So with the help of add method you can add the element inside the array list. So how to do that? So here I will say city name dot. So here you can see different methods are available. So I will make use of add method here. So what does this add method do? It will add a particular value inside this array list. So let's say add, and as this is a string data type, we need to pass the values inside the double quotes. So here I let's say Mumbai. This is the first value which is being stored inside this array list city name. Now let's add two more elements here. Let's say city name dot add, and we will add here let's say Pune, and last one city name dot add, let's say Delhi. So these are the three values that we have stored inside this array list now, and we can print that array list. Sys out, and let's print array list, which is city name. Let's run this code now. We are getting the output here, array list, and the values present inside this array list are Mumbai, Pune, and Delhi. So insertion order is maintained, right? The way in which we have inserted the elements, the same sequence the values are getting printed here. Also, we can add the duplicate elements. Let's say I add one more city name as Delhi only, and which is added first. And if I run this code now, what will be the output here? So it says Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi. So in the same way, the insertion order is maintained and the duplication of element is also allowed. The two values here are same, but still they are showing here. So this is how the array list is declared and elements are added inside this array list. So that's it in this video. We will cover another important concepts related to array list in next video. Thank you for watching.